So let's assume that I'm a third-party developer. I want to create a mapping application for you, something that will allow you to see everything that you know about on a map. What do I know of interest in this part of the world, or this part, or around me? Now, if I wanted to do that as a developer, I've got to read all of your files on your computer. I've got to ask for all your logons to all of your social media. I've got to try and somehow work out what you've done in your specific photo program that you use for management. I've got an enormous task ahead of me. But actually, with Dad's Live Catalog, I don't. I make one call to a thing called an application programming interface, or API, which is effectively an interface into the catalog, and it's an interface that you control, so you have to allow the developer access by downloading his application and trusting that application. But assuming you do, as a developer, he can make one call through the API and say, give me everything that has a lat long, a position, and tell me what it is. That comes out to him in one language. He doesn't need to translate from the different formats. It's open data in terms of it's one language, one call, and then he can concentrate on producing the best possible mapping application, and he has the whole richness. So if iPhotos added some richness, if your contacts applications added some richness, if the fact that you tweeted with position added some richness, whatever it may be, all of that richness is embodied within your Live Catalog and is available for other application developers to do things for you. And let's take a further example. Let's look downstream a couple of years. Why should you have a separate database for your photographs where all the tags and the album information is tucked away in some separate program but not available for you to use? Why shouldn't it be the case that the photo manufacturer, the company making that photo program, should use your Live Catalog? So if you do work within that program, it enhances your Live Catalog so you can use that to share with or for other applications to use. So the whole point about DAD is, with third-party application providers, is to capture your rich data, to help others to enrich it so that you can use it, reuse it, and in the years to come you have your full Live Catalog.